In the video this week, I discussed my time at Personal Mastery Academy with Robin Sharma in 2019. I run you through why you should ask a premium price on your product and don't try to be the cheapest, but rather add a lot of value to your client. The third item I will discuss is the beneficial ownership submissions and the frequently asked questions that we get from there. And the last thing, how can you save your funds and your money like the author and comedian Hart.
Many years ago, when I started my personal growth process, I read this amazing book, The Leader Who Had No Title by Robin Sharma. And it's actually the very first book I actually read right through. So the concept of this book is you don't need to have a title to be a leader. You can shine wherever you are today in your life and your workspace. The second idea is to do nothing less than my very best. In my personal beliefs, I do my very best and then I leave everything up to God to do the rest. And the final idea from this book is you always do more than you get paid for. If you need to serve your clients, do more than they're paid for. Give them more value that they are paying you for. And you will see the results in amazing abundance around you, in your workspace and in your life. During the last 2 decades that I've been serving small business owners, this is a message I received numerous times from business owners, and it's typically a business owner moving away because they might feel fees too steep for them, and they obviously find another opportunities or another solutions to assist them with their accounting and tax. But generally, I received this message to request that they come back because they know and have experienced before the value that we add. They know the network that I've built up and we've built up in the practice for 2 decades, and they would rather come back to that than to pay a lower accounting fee somewhere else. So we're not in there for volumes, we're in there for excellent service and a premium service that makes sense to you as a business owner. 2 of the most frequently asked questions that we get regarding beneficial ownership submissions are, what is the deadline? And secondly, what's the consequences if I don't submit to either CIBC or the Master's Office? So this is my reply that I sent, the extract I got from CIBC's website. And this is reply on there. That the failure to comply may result in business restrictions, reputational damage, or non-compliance with Companies Act. In the case of trust, non-compliance may lead to fines up to 10 million and possible imprisonment. So the choice is yours. The submissions need to be done from the 1st of April 2023 and as soon as possible. So again, the choice is yours. If you feel that you need to submit, please contact us and we will assist you with the process.
Probably the best financial management practice that I could find online was from the actor and comedian Hart, where he mentions every project that he take 50% of that money and he put it in a tax account, a separate tax account, something that I mentioned a number of times as well in my talks. And then 50% of that of the additional 50%, so it's 25% of the total, he also put aside in an account he calls his investment account. So it's funds that he put aside, so whenever the perfect or a great opportunity comes along, he would invest it in that opportunity, and he does have the cash available to do that. And the rest, the rest of the 25%, the other 25%, he actually used for his personal expenses, for his household, and all those kind of expenses.